Where a woman lives could determine the quality of her health care.
Women needing an OB-GYN can be affected by their zip code. The I-Team's Casey Geraldo discovered some Wisconsin counties don't have enough doctors.
This issue is especially problematic for women having kids, but this isn't just for women having babies. The American College of Gynecologists recommends women first see an OB-GYN between 13 and 15 years old and continue well after their childbearing years. A challenge in some parts of the state.
Can you sleep in?
The day after naturally delivering her twin baby girls, Kaylin Andelin was on her feet all day.
I felt amazing, and everyone who saw me said, wow, you look really good.
A different experience from when she had her son by cesarean section.
I can't imagine not being able to pick him up for like 6 weeks afterward, or having to need someone to help me get up from a chair.
With her daughters, Andelin knew she didn't want to go through major surgery again, so she started researching.
And she gave me this wonderful list of VBAC-friendly doctors, pretty much within a 100-mile radius. What are you doing, little one?
Andelin discovered she couldn't have her twins naturally in Kenosha. She had options in Racine, some in Illinois, others in Milwaukee.
How did that feel to know that you weren't going to be able to give birth at a hospital close to where you live?
It's hard due to travel. I was working full-time, so I had to take time off work for all these appointments. Especially with having twins, you see a high-risk doctor, so you need ultrasounds every 2 weeks.
Andelin drove an hour each way to have her babies with Dr. Sheldon Wasserman, an OB-GYN out of Ascension Columbia St. Mary's in Milwaukee, and the chair of the Wisconsin chapter of the American College of Gynecologists.
I feel strongly we have to provide good maternity care for everybody, and it should not matter where you live, but it does.
The American Medical Association reports 20 Wisconsin counties have no OB-GYN doctors on record. Dodge County has 6 doctors, one for more than 14,500 people. Kenosha County has 16 doctors, one for more than 10,000 people. And Jefferson County has just 3 doctors, one for almost 28,000 people.
And just imagine, one of them goes, has maternity. She wants to get pregnant, the doctor, and one falls on the ice, and one's involved in a car accident. Boom, you're down to 0, just that quickly.
The I-Team learned even where there are enough doctors, women might not get an equal standard of care.
It's really becoming a crisis.
Are there hospitals in Wisconsin where it's unsafe for a woman to have a baby?
That's a tricky question to answer. A lot of hospitals will look at their own services, and they've shut down obstetrical services. We'll do surgery, but we aren't competent to do safe deliveries anymore. It would be better for you to go somewhere else.
Wasserman says he sees patients from all over the state, in part because many rural hospitals have shut down maternity floors, don't perform certain types of birth, and won't treat high-risk patients. Andelin knows if she'd gone to a local hospital, a natural birth with twins after having a C-section would have been out of the question.
Did you expect to have more options than what you discovered you did?
Yes, because ACOG recommends women can try for a VBAC if they've had a cesarean.
So she made her choice to drive hours through a winter pregnancy to have the options she wanted.
And I definitely think that it is worth the trip. That way you don't have those what if moments. So it can be hard, but if it's for the safety of your family, go the extra mile, literally.
We asked the American College of Gynecologists about these numbers. It tells us doctors may live in one county and practice in another, so it's possible they're practicing in more than the county they're counted in. Andelin recommends women who may have limited options do research on their own about childbirth choices. She used information from the American College of Gynecologists, which we have linked on TMJ4.com.